Welcome back. This is Defi Dragon. Let's build a Telegram bot and deploy it on Google Cloud Run. We have few steps. We will follow them. Here is the step 1. We have to set up a Google Cloud account and active a billing. You can go here on the console and log in with your Google account and activate the billing because we are using some function that need must account with active billing. Then you have to install the Google Cloud CLI. We will use this, and you can even download it with here command, and even you can download it with Google Cloud CLI installer. We already done this. The next step, install Google Cloud extension and authenticate Google Cloud on Visual Studio Code and set up our Node.js project. So let's start. We will open Visual Studio Code. In the extensions, you can search for Cloud Codes. When the Cloud Code installed, you will see here many options, and make sure the Cloud Code is authenticated with your Google Cloud account. How to create a project? It's very simple and easy. In the left hand, you see many options. We will choose Cloud Run, and here we will click on the Create New Cloud App. Here we will choose our language. Right now we will use Node.js Cloud Run, and it's asking for the set a name of the folder. We will choose it Telegram bot and create new application. This will download the entire structure of the project. We don't need to write the code manually. So it's take few moments and project will be set up as you can see on the screen. Before going forward, we will clean up this code and delete the unnecessary things. Here is our index.js file. We will write code here. Before here we have to set the type module and save it. Here is the Docker file. We will add here the port 8080. This port we need for Google Cloud Run. And here we will already have code written, a short code. We are using Express and Node Telegram bot API and the env. Here is initialize the app, and the we will discuss few things like a polling and the port. If we are testing this bot locally, then we need polling true, and even we can use it 8080 or any other port. But when we are going to deploy it on Cloud Run, then must make sure it's false and the port is 8080. Here is the important thing is webhook, because the Telegram bot listen for updates. For that we need to set the webhook. I will discuss after deploying the app on Google Cloud. Let's create a environment variable file and install some library npmi node telegram bot api and .env. Okay, this will take time. We have to do something others. We have a telegram bot token. How we get this? Simple. Open your telegram, look for bot father, and create a new bot. You have to give the name and choose the bot username. It will give you a bot token. It's very simple and easy. We already created a bot, and here is the bot token. Let's test our bot locally. I think everything okay. We will just give the command node index.js. Okay, wait a moment. We have location issue VPN. So let's test our bot. It's working. Our bot is working locally on our system. Now it's time to deploy it on Google Cloud. We complete this step 2. We have the cloud code extension and we authenticate our Google Cloud on the VS Code, and we set up a Node.js project. And the step 3, we create a Telegram bot and write a code and test it locally. The next and the final step to deploy this code on Google Cloud Run. Before doing this, we have to some settings on Google Cloud. It's very important settings. You must have to enable the API services, and go to the cloud build. You can search here cloud build. In the cloud build, go in the permissions and enable these artifact registry, cloud build service count, cloud run admin, storage object create, and log writes. As you can see on the screen, you have to enable these. After that, we can successfully deploy our code on Cloud Run. We are back in VS Code and we are stopping this board and clear the terminal. Let's make it false and the port will be remain same. We save this code and let's deploy it. This is the command Google gcloud run deploy, and we will choosing the source method. We are directly deploying this code on the Google Cloud Run. Here we will choose the folder name. Okay, what we want to deploy this all source. So we will use source. Next, we want to choose the region. Next and important thing, we have a environment variable, a Telegram bot token. So we will set it. Okay, we will run this command. Let me confirm gcloud run deploy folder name, source, region, and the environment variable. Okay, here is the deployment commands. You can choose your folder name and the source and the region name. There are many regions, and here you can change your environment variable. For right now we are choosing telegram bot token, whatever you want to use. And here is the like up, here is the key, and this is the value. Okay, so you can run this command. Let me. Okay, it's deploying on the Google Cloud. We have to wait to complete it. Done. As you can see, our bot is deployed on Google Cloud Run. We can verify it on our account. Let's refresh it. Sorry, we have to change the account. We are using a wrong account. Okay, as you can see, we deployed our Telegram bot, and the deployment type is source. We will click on it and we can see the path, a URL, and here is the logs. Now the last step to make our bot working, we have to set Telegram webhook. If we try to check the detail, and we need bot token, we can see the URL is empty here. Now we have to set the URL and it will start working. We have to copy this URL. Let's keep it. We will test, check it again, and we have to fill this, and also here copy the URL and here will be the URL and hit the enter. Okay, webhook was set successfully. We can again check it so we can see this is okay working. Now let's come to the our bot and check it. Wait a moment. Sure, it's working. Hi. Okay, great. Now we are successfully deploy bot on the Google Cloud Run. This is the very easiest way, but it's not recommended for the production type. This is our final thoughts, because many way to deploy or host apps or Telegram bots on the Google Cloud Run, but this is the easiest way and the short way, but we cannot recommend this for the production mode. We can only development and testing mode. Thanks.